Hey, Lane here. I've been making videos about Kajabi for a while now, and one of the things that I almost never point out is the kind of lifestyle that Kajabi can afford you when you have an online business that is doing what it's supposed to be doing, which is being a machine that makes you money. This is the kind of thing that you get to do when you have that kind of business. And that is, I'm just hanging out here in Delray Beach with my family. We've been here for a week. We just extended our trip because we are just having so much fun. And while I've been here, my business has actually broken income records for me. It's made me more money than when I actually work. And I don't say all this to be implying that it's easy or to say that this is just automatically what happens. It took a lot of work to get here, and it took a few years of building my business. But this is the result of diligence and hard work in getting my Kajabi stuff together, getting an audience built, putting out content regularly, building courses, building a membership site, setting up my sales page, my landing pages, all those things, so that all of that is happening while I'm hanging out on my balcony here in Delray Beach. The point is, you can do this too. This is not something that is like unique to me. This is not something that like only special people get to do. This is something that is accessible to anyone. And I've been talking about Kajabi now for 70 straight videos. This is actually day 71, and I just wanted to point out one amazing benefit of having an online business, and it's this. It's being able to be somewhere while you are still making money. Now, if you have a job and you get time off, you're making money when you get time off. I understand that, but your time off is limited, and eventually you have to get back or the money stops. The beauty of an online business is if you do it right, you have a machine that is working for you with less and less input from you over time. And that is a pretty amazing thing, and it all happens, this is possible for me because of Kajabi. And part of me just wanted to make this video to encourage you, because I know so many of you want to make an online business happen. You've got a skill, you've got a talent, you've got something that you can share with the world, but you're just not quite sure what it's gonna be or how you're gonna do it. Let me encourage you, keep going, keep making content, keep building that course. I remember working on my course in the morning before I went to work. I would actually work on it before I left for the day. Then I'd work my full 9-to-5 job, then I would come home, take care of my kids, put them to bed, hang out with my wife, and then work on my business at night. Then get up the next day and do it all over again. I no longer have to do that, which is awesome, but that is where it started. So if that's where you are, and you are frustrated, or you are wishing that you could just make something happen online, trust the process. Keep moving forward, because eventually you get to the point where your business is making money, whether you're working or not. And that is an amazing place to be. All of this is because I have a simple, easy software that makes all of this so easy for me to do. You can check it out at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get some pretty amazing things when you use my link. You can find out everything there at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Can't wait to see you in the next video. We're gonna jump right back in to all the amazing things that you can do on Kajabi, including the new coaching program. But for now, check it out, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, and I'll see you in the next video.